Hello students, welcome back to our lesson 3, Take Clever Tenali Raman. In previous class we stopped that on the feast day the king and the ministers were called as a guest, special guest in the house, in the Tenali Raman's house, and they were served food in a beautiful plates, and they started eating greedily, but in few seconds they began to gasp. Gasp means breathe quickly with open mouth with a pain, or maybe there might be more chilly, so because of that they were having the pain in the mouth or whatever maybe. So and that is it. First king began saying that, but after saying the king, all those who were sitting, the ministers, all those who were sitting around the table, they also began to say the same. So Raman, this food is horrible. Now king said, Raman, this food is very horrible. It is, shouted the king. He shouted like anything, and he said to Raman, this king is very horrible, and this food is very horrible. It's too spicy. It is very spicy, too salty. So the salt is more, and really undercooked. Undercooked means it was not ready to be eaten. It is not ready for eating. So who has made this? Now he asked a question to Raman. Who has made this food that is very spicy, very salty, and it is undercooked? And as you have called us to be guest in your house, and you will give us like this food, saying that he is shouting at the Raman. This is your idea of a feast. Is it your idea of a feast? Calling us, you are giving like this food. Do you want us all to die? Then king is telling, do you want that we all should die? So here Raman is waited for the king to come down. Now Raman is just waiting to be cool down. That king is very angry, so he is waiting for the king to be cool down. Then with folded hands he said, forgive me, sir. Now he folded his hand. Raman folded his hand and said, forgive me, sir. Let me introduce you to the cook. Let me say about my cook. Who is the cook? A worried looking carpenter now came forward. Now this carpenter is coming to this table side where the kings were sitting, and he was so worried and he was frightened. This is the best carpenter in Vijayanagar. In Vijayanagar town, this is the best carpenter. Like no carpenters are there in Vijayanagar. His work is brilliant. His work is very, very good and very brilliant way he does his work. I gave him the job of cooking today because he is very good in carpentry work and he does very good work. So I thought of giving him the job of cooking today. The king growled at him and spoke. Are you crazy, Raman? He got angry and he stood up and said, are you crazy, Raman? He is shouting at Raman. He may be an excellent carpenter, but does that mean he is a good cook? He might be very good in carpentry work. He might be very famous in doing that work, but he cannot be a cook, cannot be a good cook. How can you tell him to cook for today's feast? So Raman replied softly, but sir, if an artist can be the chief minister, why can't a carpenter be a cook? But Tenali Raman said very softly, sir, if the artist can be a chief minister of a court, then why can't this carpenter be a cook? It is possible, because already the artist became chief minister of the court, then of automatic this carpenter also can be a cook. The king now began to realize his mistake. Now king admitted his mistake. Shaking his head slowly, he said, "You are right, Raman." Now slowly he shook his head and said, "Raman, you are very right. The fault is mine. The mistake is mine. I understand what you are trying to tell me. I now understood very well what you are trying to tell me." The very next day, the king sent Raja Varma back to his old job. And the same day, this king sent back the Raja Varma to his old job. What was his old job? Painting. He was a painter. The king felt embarrassed, but Raja Varma was very happy. Now king felt very ashamed, but Raja Varma was so happy that he sent him back to his old job. He later thanked Tenali Raman, who just chuckled wisely. Now later this king thanked Tenali Raman, who just made him aware about his mistake because of his wise way thinking. This Tenali Raman made aware of the mistake of a king, and now the court is smoothly running. So dear students, from this beautiful story we learn that when we love our work and do it with interest, we get good results. But if we do something that we don't like, we get poor result, and it makes us unhappy, just like Raja Varma. Therefore, let us love the work which we do and do happily, then we will be getting the good result in our life. Thank you.